Good morning to my BIODROGA family. Today I want to ask you a question. So if you were to create the perfect moisturizer, what would it include? So my answer would be barrier nurturing ingredients like squalene, which is near identical to our natural sebum. Moisture binding ingredients like glycerin, skin biotics such as bifida ferment lysate or lactococcus ferment lysate, prebiotics such as alpha glucan oligosaccharide. We know the difference between postbiotic is all of the nutrients, the vitamins and minerals and amino acids and things that good bacteria needs on the skin. And what does prebiotics do? They provide the energy for the good skin biotics. So it would need to have pre and postbiotics. It would need to contain ceramides, because what do ceramides do? Ceramides, they're the food for the good bacteria. They also make up an essential part of the formation and of that barrier in between the skin cells. It's the oils we produce. These are the skin oils we make. Lactic acid, because lactic acid as a nourishing ingredient makes up an essential part of the acid mantle. So that would be the perfect moisturizer. Then you'd add in all your other things like peptides and retinols and things, niacinamides, if you wanted to make up a moisturizer that had those ingredients. But a moisturizer, you can get all those things in a serum. So we do have that moisturizer. And stop for 5 seconds. I'm going to say, which moisturizer has all those ingredients? Prebiotics, postbiotics, ceramides, squalene. What moisturizer has that? The Hypersensitive Cream in Medical Institute. And I bring this one up today because I have been unwell. I've had bronchitis. And last week I did the organic class. And after that, I literally went downhill really quickly. On Wednesday, I woke up and my skin was inflamed. I was completely dry through I hadn't changed anything but gotten sick. All my forehead was felt like sandpaper. I was dehydrated and dry. I had red patches. I had red spots on my cheek. What did I do straight away? I stopped all of my other cleansers and moisturizers and serums, and I went straight onto the calming gel to oil and just this cream. I didn't use the CBD serum. I just used this cream. I kid you not, within a day, my skin had gotten back to what it looks now, which is pretty flawless, if I don't mind saying so myself. And it was amazing. It was just almost like my skin was in crisis because I was feeling sick, and it just needed to make sure that everything was functioning on the surface. Because when you are sick and everything isn't working properly, then your skin is the first place to show it. And it was just, for me, it was a really good test to see, okay, how does my skin respond to this cream? And I've used this cream every day since, and my skin is just beautiful. And I'm going to say that I think I'm going to stay on this cream and then play with certain serums underneath this cream. But this, along with our Repair and Protect, so the Repair and Protect is really this cream in the Bioscience line, okay, but it has fragrances in it. But both of these creams are barrier creams. They're barrier creams. And if you can just get that barrier perfectly balanced with the ceramides and the good bacteria and the food and nutrients for the good bacteria and inflammatory ingredients like panthenol. If you can just get these ingredients into the skin will look after itself. So this really is the perfect moisturizer. And sometimes we focus too much on anti-aging moisturizers, when really the simplicity of this moisturizer means that without being an anti-aging moisturizer, it really is, because it lets the skin look after itself, and skin that is healthy is anti-aging. Think about it. Have a lovely day. Bye.